how you can see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So the first step for that is to open up your Snapchat. Now once your Snapchat is opened, you need to go to your profile section, which is on the top left corner. Now once you go to your profile, you can see this interface coming up. Now if you have uploaded any kind of stories, it will be visible right below the portion of Spotlight and Snap Map. Now in my case, you can see that I had uploaded 3 videos which are pretty much private because the number of views is 0. I had uploaded it privately so that only I am able to see it and in case for future reference. Now, if you had uploaded a story, then it will appear right below the Spotlight and Snap Map and above of my favorites. These were the videos that I had added to my favorites, and these were the Spotlight and Snap Maps which I had added fully to myself. Now, once you've uploaded a story and it appears on this very interface, to see who screenshotted it, we can see that right beside the view icon, which is like a tilted triangle, we can see 2 lines occurring now. And right beside that person's name, we can see those lines, which means that that person has screenshotted our stories. And if someone has simply viewed our story, we can only see their name and the icon of view or a small eye icon. Now, in order to know whether they've just viewed or screenshotted it, that's the only way to figure it out. And make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed in your devices as well in order for this to fully function. So I hope you guys got the idea to know who screenshotted your Snapchat story and how to know who is it. So give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more updates.